Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explore a list of superfoods that can cleanse and repair your kidneys. These nutrient-packed foods are not only delicious but also play a crucial role in supporting kidney health. Whether you're looking to maintain healthy kidneys or improve their function, incorporating these superfoods into your diet can be a game changer. Let's dive into the world of kidney health and discover these powerful foods. Number 10. Onions. Onions offer more than just a delightful flavor to various dishes. They are also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can have a significant positive impact on kidney health and overall well-being. Incorporating onions into the diet can contribute to supporting kidney function and maintaining a healthy urinary system. Number 9. Cauliflower. Cauliflower, a versatile and delicious vegetable, provides an excellent low-potassium option for individuals following kidney-friendly diets. It offers essential nutrients without overburdening the kidneys, making it an ideal choice for those with concerns about their kidney health. Number 8. Fish omega-3 for optimal kidney support. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are abundant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which possess potent anti-inflammatory effects that can significantly benefit kidney health. Including these fish in the diet can promote improved kidney function and contribute to overall health and well-being. Number 7. Olive oil. Celebrated for its heart-healthy properties, olive oil also plays a vital role in supporting kidney health. Its anti-inflammatory properties help protect the kidneys and contribute to their overall well-being, making it a beneficial addition to the diet. Number 6. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, an active compound renowned for its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. By incorporating turmeric into the diet, it can play a crucial role in repairing and safeguarding kidney tissues, supporting long-term kidney health. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic, known for its distinct flavor and aromatic qualities, is not only a culinary delight but also a valuable addition to kidney health. It contains potent anti-inflammatory properties that can significantly benefit the kidneys by reducing inflammation and supporting optimal kidney function. By incorporating garlic into the diet, individuals can promote the overall well-being of their kidneys and improve their kidney health. Number 4. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are more than just visually appealing and delicious. They also offer a host of essential nutrients that are vital for maintaining kidney health and overall well-being. Packed with vitamins A, C, and B6, red bell peppers contribute to the proper functioning of the kidneys and support their overall health. These nutrients also play a crucial role in strengthening the immune system and protecting against kidney-related complications. Number 3. Kale. Kale, a leafy green powerhouse, stands out as one of the most nutrient-dense foods that actively support kidney function and contribute to the body's natural detoxification process. Rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, kale helps combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can have adverse effects on kidney health. By including kale in the diet, individuals can enhance their kidney health and overall wellness while enjoying a delicious and nutritious vegetable. Number 2. Cranberries. Cranberries have earned recognition for their remarkable ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can pose a threat to kidney health. Specific compounds found in cranberries help shield the urinary tract and reduce the risk of kidney stone formation, thereby supporting optimal kidney function. Number 1. Blueberries. Considered a true superfood, blueberries are teeming with a wide array of antioxidants that actively combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. These little berries boast an impressive nutritional profile, packed with essential vitamins and minerals that promote and maintain overall kidney health. Including blueberries in the diet is a delicious and beneficial way to support kidney function and overall well-being. There you have it, a fantastic array of superfoods that can cleanse and repair your kidneys. By incorporating these nutrient-packed foods into your diet, you can promote kidney health and enhance your overall well-being. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing kidney issues or medical conditions. Together, let's prioritize kidney health and embrace the power of these superfoods. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content. Stay healthy and take care.